Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how do you do? Today I'm here to discuss few things with my fans, with my all subscribers and with those people who are watching this video right now. Dear friends, whenever you are opening the video of any creator and you are watching the video and you find the solution of your problem and you got the help from that video and resolves your problem, that time it is the duty of a viewer to pay in return. Definitely on YouTube video we cannot pay the rupees, we cannot pay the price, but we can do actually. But how? But actually we can give something in return, and that is of our like the video and subscribe the channel. So always after watching the video you should click on the like button and click on the subscribe button. Second thing that I want to discuss with my fans, according to my view, it is not necessary that my view is 100% right. Here are millions of people, millions of the psychiatrists, and everyone has separate thinking. Everyone has the wisdom, everyone has the vision based on different skills. So I talk about my skills. So do not get hurt on my words, because I just talk according to my vision. Always speak truth. Do not give the wrong solution to your viewers. Do not talk about the things which follow the evils. Do not talk about the things which cause the hurt to our viewers. So this is the main point of a good YouTuber, that he always gives the right path to his viewers. So always keep the policy which is transparent. Secret of success is not that you manipulate the other person. Secret of success is not that you cheat the others. Secret of success is not that you give wrong ideas to others. Secret of success is the honesty. Secret of success is to work hard. Secret of success is to give right suggestion. Secret of success is to show the right path to the viewers.